Isn't it nice to hear this?
Welcome to Cost Cutters.
And this?
Like that look? Not a problem.
No.
And this?
I've got the perfect product.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful.
You helping me?
The fire is so delightful. All the way home I'll be warm. And the fire is slowly dying. And my dear
Okay.
whispers good night.
This is a kitty cat.
In the storm,
We bought it because we have kitty cat.
dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you
Put it
love
on
me
there.
so, let it snow,
This one,
let it snow,
music.
let it snow.
This one,
Dad.
Alcohol.
Oh no, it's tingled.
alcohol,
Peanuts.
myrrh and myrrhs.
Pokeball. The Pokeball came apart. Christmas Pikachu, I choose you.
I'm having a horrible time.
It was for what time of the year?
Clap.
No way! Hui Puda.
Really pruder.
Hui Puda.
Is hot dog. No, this. The hamburger, fries, drink, and condiments.
This is Snoopy and Woodstock in a sleigh. And there's some presents. And King. This is Totoro. Totoro is a tree spirit animal. Yeah.
Baking. Sad Charlie Brown.
This is baby Jesus in the manger with Mary and Joseph because we need to remember that we're Christians. And something.
Snoopy.
Water. Earth.
Fire. Potato chips. Air.
Dog and go the four elements live together in harmony.
Zelda. Ocarina of Tin.
This is Snoopy on his doghouse with Woodstock sleeping next to him. They're sleeping.
Banana.
This is an impression of the key to our first apartment together. That's what it says.
This is like a cherry with like leaves growing out of it. Treble curve.
Cupcake.
An impression of our rings.
Cupcake. I'd like to put the Charlie Brown one up.
The side one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay. This is Charlie Brown's shirt.
This is music. It has the treble clef and an asterisk. Why is there an asterisk? And an eighth note.
That's Christmas. I gave you a heart. Speaking of hearts, this is a heart. And it's woven together like my love for Alex and his love for me.
See what I see. A star dancing in the
No travel plans, no shopping malls, no candy canes, no Santa Claus. For as the day of rest draws near, it's just the two of us this year. No silver